Hi everyone, welcome. We've been working with negation in French in our last few lessons. In this lesson we are going to continue working with negation, and we're going to look at some examples with the subject pronoun nous. So first things first, the equivalent of not in French is ne pas, or n apostrophe and pas. The ellipsis here represents a conjugated verb, so you have to put the ne before the conjugated form of the verb and the pas afterward, or the n apostrophe before the conjugated verb and the pas afterward. Remember that you use the n apostrophe if the conjugated form of the verb begins with a vowel. So let's look at an example here. I work, I don't work. Put the ne pas around travail, which is the conjugated form of the verb, and you have je ne travaille pas. Je ne travaille pas, I don't work. Je travaille, I work. Je ne travaille pas, I don't work. So let's look at some examples with nous, which is the equivalent of we in English. We work. Nous travaillons. Nous travaillons. We don't work. Insert the ne before travaillons and the pas afterwards, and you have nous ne travaillons pas. Nous travaillons. Nous ne travaillons pas. Nous travaillons. Nous ne travaillons pas. We like. Nous aimons. We don't like. Nous n'aimons pas. Remember that if the conjugated form begins with a vowel, use n apostrophe instead of ne. So we have nous n'aimons pas. Nous aimons. Nous n'aimons pas. Again, notice the ne pas around, wrapped around the conjugated form of the verb, or the n apostrophe pas. We forget. Nous oublions. We don't forget. Nous n'oublions pas. Nous oublions. Nous n'oublions pas. We listen. Nous écoutons. We don't listen. Nous n'écoutons pas. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I'd appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. If you know of someone that would benefit from watching this lesson, please share. To continue learning French and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.